The optimal gold allocation for a standard portfolio would be 14 to 18% gold. In Western markets, it's probably like 1%, the current allocation to gold.
Maximum.
If I say like, okay, we suggest 15% gold allocation, I'm being ridiculed and people just say, okay, this is way too much. If I go to Istanbul and say like, we suggest 15%, people will start laughing because that's actually too little. For them, 15% would be like the lowest allocation that they would suggest. This big divergence between the Western world and emerging markets is a really interesting one, especially now that central banks have really become a major driver, not only central banks, but also the retail crowd in emerging markets. And I think it's really, really important to focus more on the developments in emerging markets compared to the Western world. Gold always goes to countries and regions that are prospering, where there's real wealth, where there's actually capital being built up and not being consumed. And that's unfortunately not in the Western world.